For the track I made, I'll start from the beginning and work my way to the end. I'll explain what influenced the decisions I made for the arrangement regarding the instrumentation, the composition, and the form. This episode is on Bruno Mars. Let's get into it. The scale I used is G minor and later the relative major B flat major in the bridge. The intro has only 2 chords from the scale, 1, then 3. Both the verses and the choruses go to the 6, 5, and 1. The pre-chorus goes 3, 6, 3, and 1. Lastly, in the bridge, I used the 4, 3, 5, and 4, then 4, 3, 5, and 2. The song is structured into several sections: an intro, 2 pairs of verse, pre-chorus, and chorus, a bridge, a final pre-chorus and chorus, and an outro. So it's A, B, C, D, B, C, D, E, C, D, F, much like in Uptown Funk. The drums have a funky 80s pop feel, heavily influenced by the drum machine sounds from That's What I Like, with various fills and variations throughout. The bass line is staccato and choppy, so similar to what you'd hear in most funk music. It is a dominant instrument in the mix, particularly in the verses. I've taken influence from both That's What I Like and Uptown Funk. There are soft synths that provide a continuous backing, giving the song a dreamy, atmospheric feel. The main chord stabs, which are played by a synth and later with a guitar, are more vibrant and energetic, especially in the chorus. So this is taking influence from the guitar tone used in Locked Out of Heaven. Various rises are used to build tension and create a sense of anticipation. You can hear this being used in Locked Out of Heaven and Uptown Funk. These include a noise riser in the intro, a chord riser, and a siren riser. That builds into the chorus drop, creating one dynamic riser. The intro begins with a simple drum beat, soft synth chords, and a noise riser to create a build-up. The first verse is where the main funk beat and a choppy bass line are introduced. The synth chords stay in the background, providing a continuous bass. The pre-chorus is designed to build tension before the chorus. The drums are stripped down just to the kick and a snare, and the bass uses sustained notes. The synth chords have a swell effect to enhance the build just before the chorus. chorus introduces high, mid, and low toms, along with a double snare hit, making the beat more vibrant. A guitar playing the same chords as the synth is added to give the chorus a fun and funky feel. The second verse and chorus are similar to the first, but with added percussion. So I've added claps and rim shots in the verse. As well as arpeggios in the chorus to introduce some variation. This keeps the song fresh while maintaining a familiar feel. The bridge offers a significant contrast to the rest of the song. The drums become more relaxed with less movement from the kick. The bass uses sustained notes with brief, exciting pops. So the song shifts from a major to minor key, giving it a softer, more melancholy feel. Strings are also introduced here to enhance this mood, the soft mood. And this section is all about creating new texture and feeling before the final push to the end. The final pre-chorus and chorus continue to build on the energy. Arpeggios and additional rises are used to create a bigger and more exciting sound. The outro is essentially a slightly varied chorus. The drums feature a new fill and a ride cymbal, and the synth chords are brighter. The song ends with a final, tasteful snare roll. So let's listen to the song one more time in full. So as mentioned before, what makes Bruno Mars unique is not that he has a unique identifiable genre, but a unique ability to blend and incorporate different genres in his music. Thank you for joining me in today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video and got something useful from it. Leave a comment on anything you wanted to know or hear more of. Like and subscribe for more of this content, and I'll see you next time.